warm welcome back to Tech World, and today we're gonna do a review of the phone, which is Xiaomi Redmi 10 Prime. So basically, we're gonna be reviewing that video in very detail. Let's head to that right now.
Xiaomi Redmi 10 Prime India launch could be near as it is quoted for the first time on a certification website. Let's take a look at more details of the upcoming Xiaomi Redmi 10 series ahead of the launch. So Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi could launch new budget phone soon. The company has already teased the Xiaomi Redmi 10 launch. It is confirmed to feature a quad camera setup with a 50 megapixel primary camera sensor. The device will also support or sport a 90Hz LCD display. Details of the phone have leaked already. Xiaomi is expected to launch the device later this month. It is also expected to launch on the Redmi 10 Prime alongside. Ahead of the launch, the Prime variant of the Redmi 10 series is listed on the CEIRIMEI database. The listing confirms the model number of the devices in India variant, which is 2106111 Let's take a look at more details of the upcoming Redmi 10 series ahead of the launch. So let's begin.
Yes. So when we go for more details about it, we get to know that Xiaomi Redmi 10 Prime might like could launch very soon, and also the phone is listed on IMEI website, which confirms the device model and the moniker. The upcoming budget Redmi phone also has a model number 2106119PI. Listing also lists that the various LTE bands that the device will support. Xiaomi has not officially confirmed the date of Redmi 10 Prime, but the device is expected to launch along the side of vanilla Redmi 10, which is very soon. Also, it's speculated that the devices are likely to make India in September or October. We'll also have to wait for the now official announcement to know the exact Redmi 10 series launch in India. And meanwhile, key details of the vanilla Redmi 10 is what we're going to be sending you in the next video. You guys have to stay tuned. It will also be, and now let's head to Redmi 10 Prime. It will support a 6.5-inch Full HD plus LCD with a adaptive refresh rate, which also switches at a 45 and 60 and a 90 Fc. The screen also has a hole punch kit out on the top and an 8 megapixel front camera. Now let's head to more about the cameras as we go ahead.
On the back is a quad camera setup with a 50 megapixel primary lens. It will also have an 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor and two 2 megapixel sensor for depth and macro. The phone packs a 5000 mAh battery with support for 18-watt fast charging and 9 watts reverse charging. It will have a 3.5mm headphone jack and a side mounted fingerprint scanner. Xiaomi's new Redmi phone boasts MIUI 12.5 based on the Android 11. It comes in three colors: carbon gray, pebble white, sea blue, and under the hood is a MediaTek Dimensity G88 SoC. It will come with a 6 GB of RAM and a 128 GB of internal storage. The device measures 161.96 by 75.54 by 8.93 millimeters and weighs 182 grams. What are your thoughts about the upcoming Redmi phones in India? Do let us know in the comments below. And thanks for watching till the end of this video. For more informative and tech contents, please subscribe. If you want more tech videos like this, you have to subscribe, share with your friends, relatives, family members who you know. That'll be great support for us to make more videos, and hit the like button if you like it. And that's all. My name is Johns.
My name is Jonas.
We are Tech World signing off.
Bye bye.
Bye.